Hook midnight to 0:15. Did you know that 75% of businesses will use AI automation by 2027? That's huge. AI is taking over. Get ready to adapt. Or get left behind. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. AI is changing everything. From automation to content creation. Recent news: an AI agent bought itself a robot. Exactly what experts warned. This is the future. And it's happening now. We need to stay ahead. With the right AI tools. Let's dive in. ChatGPT 1 to 230. ChatGPT is a game changer. It processes 100 plus transactions per minute. Imagine you need to handle customer support. Instead of 24 hours, ChatGPT does it in 1 minute. That's insane. Free or $20 per month. Perfect for entrepreneurs. They need to save time and focus on growth. ChatGPT is the answer. No more manual work. Let AI handle it. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is a content machine. It generates 1,000 plus words per hour. Imagine you need to write blog posts. Instead of 5 hours, Jasper does it in 1 hour. That's 5 times faster. $29 per month. Worth every penny. For marketers and writers. They need high-quality content. Fast and efficient. Jasper delivers. No more writer's block. Just pure content. Claude 4 to 5:30. Claude is a data beast. It analyzes 1,000 plus data points per second. Imagine you need to make business decisions. Instead of 1 week, Claude does it in 1 second. That's instant insights. Free trial available. Perfect for analysts. They need accurate data. Fast and reliable. Claude is the answer. No more manual analysis. Let AI handle it. Gamma 5:30 to 6:30. Gamma is an automation powerhouse. It automates 100 plus tasks per day. Imagine you need to manage social media. Instead of 2 hours, Gamma does it in 10 minutes. That's huge time savings. $49 per month. Worth the investment. For business owners. They need to streamline operations and focus on growth. Gamma is the solution. No more tedious tasks. Just pure automation. Midjourney 6:30 to 7:30. Midjourney is a creative genius. It generates 100 plus unique images per hour. Imagine you need to create marketing materials. Instead of 3 days, Midjourney does it in 1 hour. That's insane creativity. Completely free. Perfect for designers. They need inspiration and fast results.